Well, Turning Point is a place where it's safe. They always open their hands to anyone. They don't judge you for anything, no matter what your situation is. They're kind. They actually get involved in your life and actually help you to the best of their advantage. So I would say it's a real helpful place. I don't know what I've done if Turning Point actually didn't give me this opportunity to move in here. Transitional living is a spot or apartment or a place you're going to live for you to transition to live on your own. They're here to actually get a place to stay for a while so they can get their life back on track, get their own job, get their kids in the school or daycare that they need to so they can go to work and be able to support their family and their kids and actually move out when this whole program is over. The atmosphere around here is positive, helpful, friendly. They're just all around there. They help you out. They never judge you for any situation. I've been through a lot and they were understanding of that. They don't just say, oh, well, you've done this or you've done that. They actually do help you no matter what your situation is. And I've never been in a program that actually does that. They actually help you like they said they are.